I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to do a 3-2-1 baby back rib sandwich, burger, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to do them on my little Pit Boss Tailgater today. It's just a small little rack, and let me just show you what we got going on here. The only thing you want to do is pull off the membrane, and they usually come off really simple, just like that. Well, almost just like that. Another paper towel and get the last little bits. Just like that. Okay, now that I got the membrane off, you're probably wondering, now how are you going to make a sandwich out of a baby back rib and the bones and everything? Well, what I'm going to do here, we're going to do the 3-2-1 method, but all you got to do is where the bones are, just take a knife, score it. Ah, that one's a little difficult. That's a little small. I didn't trim that one off. So score your bones right there. Just put a little cut in that bottom part. And what this is going to do is once it's cooked and the bones start peeling back and showing, and when it's all done, we can just pull the bones right out. Some of them might even fall out by the time this is cooked. So you just do each bone, just like that. So if you've seen any of my other baby back ribs or my rib recipes, I do like to use Sweet Baby Ray's, and I also use it as a binder. And I know the bottom doesn't really matter, but do it anyway. Put a little bit on there just to help the, and you don't even really have to season your bottom, but I do it because that's just how I do them. Get some on the edge here. And then for my seasonings, of course, garlic pepper, right? Absolute favorite, it's my salt, pepper, garlic. Like I said before, it has salt, pepper, and garlic already in it. The pepper part is ground black pepper, but it also has other peppers in it, like bell peppers and stuff. So just going to put a light coat on the bottom, and then my homemade rub. I do have that on my website on how to make that. It's very simple. So we're going to get that, flip it over. Barbecue sauce for the binder here. I don't have any gloves on, so I'm using my brush. If I had my gloves on, I'd just rub it right in. Okay, you get your binder on there. And same thing, salt, pepper, garlic, SPG, garlic pepper. It's just another layer of flavor. And then my rub. Shake that up. You can go pretty heavy with the rub. And then I'm going to get this into my smoker. I've got my Tailgater running right now at 200 degrees. Let me get that up here. I've got it running at 200 degrees. We are going to do the 3-2-1 method. These are going to go low and slow. Let's get them on the smoker. Look at that smoke. I love this little Tailgater. We're just going to get them on there like that. And we will see you in a couple of hours. All right, we are just an hour and a half in, and I just have some apple cider vinegar and water, 50-50. I'll just spray it up. Looking a little on the dry side since it's at a low temperature. Trying to get lots of smoke in there. Just about 3 hours in on this little Tailgater with my ribs. I'm going to get them off. We're going to wrap them up with some butter, honey, and brown sugar. Really good. So I guess I'll put this down here. So I'm going to put a little butter down. I don't have any parquet, and this just shows to go you that You don't have to have squeezed butter, you can use real butter. So I'm going to get some butter down and some honey. And my brown sugar out of my bag. Wrapped up really good, huh? Okay, and then some brown sugar. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna get these ribs off. Looking pretty good. Got a good little bend in them. Okay, just like that. And I do think I will put a little bit of butter on here. Just a little more moisture. Really isn't going to do a whole lot since it's the bottom side, but why not, right? Okay, I'm going to get these wrapped up, and then we're going to put them back on for 2 hours for our 3, 2, 1. Wrap them up like this, and it will go back on meat side down. That's why I did it like that. I'll probably do this. This piece. Wrap it under, wrap it around and under, wrap it up a little bit. There you go. Right back on the smoker, meat side down. I'm going to turn the fire up to 250. So we may just go about an hour and a half. We'll check them in a little bit. 3, 2, 1 baby back ribs. I mean, you know, a lot of people do them. I'm just doing them. We're going to do the 3, 2, 1 baby backs sandwich. All right, let's see a little bit. Okay, we are 2 hours on the smoke. Let's get these off of here and give them a look. On the smoke, I guess wrapped up is what I meant to say. And then wrapped up for 2 hours. Let's check it out. Yeah. Didn't bring my gloves. Didn't put the gloves on, so this is going to be a little warm. It's not too bad. Unless you hold it too long. These lips off. See those? Those look amazing. Let's see here. Does that bone pull right out? Oh yeah, that's a little warm. It's from those cuts that I did. Guess I should have got my gloves, right? Meat on the side. Oh man. Amazing. Let me get this onto my tray. Just like that. Get it out of the way. Now what I'm going to do is, so each sandwich is going to be, let's see, 1, 2. Let's take it at about right here. Right around halfway of that. So we'll get 4 sandwiches out of this. Flies out here. Okay, so I'm gonna get these sauced up with some Sweet Baby Ray's. I did not thin it out because once we do the sandwich, I'm not adding anything to the sandwich, just the ribs with the sauce. Let me go get another bottle. Sorry about that, I had to get another bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's. Now, I guess I could have cut these up before, but I'm just brushing the sauce on the sides, cooking it as one whole baby back rib. Turn these over. Always got Sweet Baby's Ray's on hand. Don't ever want to run out of that, right? Be pretty generous with it. Make sure you do get the sides. There's going to be some nice barbecue, sticky, yummy baby back rib sandwiches. Okay, what do you think so far? Dang, they look really good. This one right here. Yeah, that was the end one right there. Look at that thing. These are going to be good sandwiches. All right, so now I'm going to get these back on the smoker for, I don't know, check them about 30. I might go 45 to an hour. Look at that little thing. Chicken pellets. Gosh, I'm going to have to show you those. First, let me get these on the smoker. Check this out. I had this full. What are we down? A couple inches. It's been going for 5 hours. I did top it off when I first put them on, so the heat up, the warm up, it used some, but not much. Man, this Tailgater, I'll tell you. All right, we'll be back in about 30 to check, or about 35 minutes after putting them back on, and oh yeah, look at those. Alright, I'm going to pull these off, get our buns on there. Okay, I turn the heat up to 300. We've got some brioche buns here. We'll get those nice and toasted up. Should just take a minute or two, and then we'll put them together. Okay, and these baby back ribs look amazing. Bones have been taken out of them. We're gonna make a sandwich out of them. Got my buns. I think they're about ready. Turn that flame out. All right, let me get you down here. Look at that. That is what I am talking about right there. Add one to a bun right there. Now before I top it, I'm not putting any toppings except Sweet Baby Ray's. Go ahead and load it up. Top it off with the brioche. There you go. Look at that. Oh man. That is a baby back rib sandwich. We ain't calling it a McRib because this is way better than a McRib. Here we go. Baby back rib sandwich. Bones taken out. little taste test over here. Oh my God. That is amazing. Sorry. Okay, so we did the 3-2-1 baby back ribs. Cut them in sections. They made 4 sandwiches. We put it on a brioche bun and baby back rib sandwich. You get a chance, go out and make you some. The key is to make a little score mark on them bones, so when they start separating from the bones peel right out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.